Hey guys, taking this video of this 7.3 Power Stroke. It's actually in a 2005 International. It's got to be one of the last years of the 7.3. It's 195 horsepower, 7.3. This thing starts and runs absolutely beautiful. Blowby. As you can see, it's absolutely no blowby. One of the nicest running 7.3s I've seen in a while. It has 229,000 miles and 10,000 hours. I'd be surprised if this was the original engine with no blowby and that many miles and hours. We'll give it some gas here and give her some throttle, see if what she does. Revs up real nice. See the oil pressure down in the middle of the screen, just under 50 pounds at idle, or right at 50 pounds. What a nice running engine. I love seeing these old dinosaur mechanical engines still show up once in a while. It's about 40 degrees here in Wisconsin. Got a little bit of condensation coming out, but no smoke. You need a good 7.3 for your Ford pickup or your international truck. This is the one, engine number 396.